एश्योरिंग एट दॅट टाइम जातले 1 महिन्यात जातले 2 महिन्यात जातले 3 महिन्यात जातले आज पर्यंत स्टार्ट जाना इनफॅक्ट आय मस्ट कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट द गव्हर्नर बिकॉज गव्हर्नरान पयलीं सुद्दां म्हटलें की लेजिस्लेटिव्ह प्रोसिजर इज अ करेक्ट प्रोसिजर अशें म्हणून अशी आज सध्याची परिस्थिती आसा आनी म्हणून हांव म्हणटा की 2020 वर्स हे गोंयकारांच्या जिवनात सूख हाडपाचें जावचें अशें करतलो जाल्यार सरकारान ताबडतोब हाचेर एक्शन घेवपा जाय ना जाल्यार मागीर परत आमकां 2020 हे 19चे कंटिन्युएशन See, legislative process in the assembly, if you go through my speech, then you will realize I had said that in 2015, central government brought an amendment to MMRD Act. Main boy जो act असा, Minerals Act असा boy. ताका amendment केलो. That amendment says what? That any lease given before this act came into force shall be valid for 50 years. म्हणजे 2015च्या पयलीं कोणाक पळय वेगवेगळ्या राज्यांनी लिजां दिल्या दे आर ऑल वॅलिड फॉर 50 years. गोंयच्या बाबतींत कितें जालां गोंयच्या बाबतींत देवर कन्सेशन्स गिवन बाय पोर्तुगीज गव्हर्नमेंट बिफोर MMRD Act came into existence. MMRD Act came into existence in 1947. Whereas concessions were given sometime given in 1906, 1920 अशी concessions आसात. Central government brought in an act, abolition of lease act in 1987 and said that this shall be converted into leases. But in that they used a line which said that this shall come into effect from 20th December 1961, the next day after Goa was liberated. Actually it should have been come into effect from 1987. There was no question of putting it retrospective effect because till that time they were concessions. Now those matters are before the Supreme Court again. They have challenged. But applying this 215 amendment, if you make one small amendment to the Abolition Act, saying that this shall come into effect from 27 November 1987, the day it was notified, matter gets ended. The leases become valid. Center has to take. Either आता कितें जाला all the states are getting benefited except Goa. गोंयकारांनी कितें पाप केलां? गोंयच्या लोकांनी कितें पाप केलां? If other states are getting benefit of 50 years, why not Goa?